You ask yourself every day, who am I? Listen to what is still roaring inside you. You are the one who refused to disappear. Life tried to pull you into fear, into exhaustion, into surrender. But something deep inside you kept answering. Stand up, move, keep going. Even after disappointment, even after betrayal, even after prayers seemed to meet only silence. You kept moving. That was not weakness. That was the warrior in you refusing to die. You walked through darkness with faith in your chest. You searched for light while the world felt heavy. You kept going when nobody clapped, nobody checked on you, nobody saw the war inside your mind. You rejected every limit. You broke every chain. You rose out of confusion, delay, and attack. And now everything is shifting. Not because life became easy, but because something inside you finally woke up. You were never created to live defeated. There is greatness in you that pain could not kill. There is purpose in you that delay could not cancel. There is fire in you that darkness could not extinguish. So stop speaking like your story is over. Stop shrinking yourself to fit your wounds. Stop acting like heaven forgot your name. God did not carry you this far to leave you broken. The doors that closed did not end your future. The people who walked away did not take your value. The delay did not destroy your destiny. You are still chosen. And what is meant for you will find you. The right doors, the right people, the right season, the right breakthrough. Everything is changing now. So lift your head, breathe again, stand again, fight again. You are not here by accident. You are not breathing by mistake. You are not fighting alone. God is with you. And nothing can stop what He has decided to raise.